Don't you just love to be interrupted? Well, see, there's a problem with that because the world is being quarantined due to a pandemic right now. And it's not like I had friends to interrupt me anyway. So anyways, I can't be interrupted because, you know, whole quarantine, you know how it is. So anyway, I built a robot to do that for me. So anyway, I made a robot to pretend to be your imaginary friends just to interrupt you in sentences because that's how lonely you are. So now I'm going to explain it. This actually takes the audio, what I'm saying. Thank you, robot, very cool. It's taking the speech recognition from the audio coming into the microphone. It generates that text, puts it into a model called GPT-2 Simple, which is a simple version of the machine learning model used on websites like talktotransformer.com. If you've used that before, that's actually pretty accurate on like whatever this monstrosity is. So it runs it through that model, predicts how my sentence is going to end, and then basically what it ends up doing is it plays it through this handy dandy little Google Home speaker. Because that's exactly what we just needed in life. As you can see, since the model is a simple version, it's not as accurate as the other ones. So that's cool. Yeah, it literally is the worst thing to ever come out of just existence. Like, the worst.
Everything else you've written is just nothing.
It's right. I have not written this in my mind. This is worse.
At least not in this machine you built.
It's...
What is this thing? What is this thing?
It's trying to speak to me.
There's an observation
you're literally just a machine. Why are you talking about that and trying to be, you know... It's just gonna keep going. I literally don't...
Way. The doctor. No way. The doctor. No way. The
Thank you, robot. Very cool.
Way. The doctor.
There's no way the doctor.
The doctor. No way. The
this
doctor.
Is literally the worst thing I've ever made. Ever. It's literally just gonna keep going. I'm just speaking, and for some reason it wants to do this.
Arbitrary time you're passing around.
It's literally the worst. It's not very accurate, but it's interrupting my sentences because that's what I want and that's just what I need in life. As you can see, it's loot box. I heard loot boxes. Loot boxes.
I'm not out for a drink. I'm not out for anything. I lock myself in my bedroom alone.
I hate this. This is literally the worst.
We're in a war.
I'd like to think.
Let me ask you, who would like to hear the reason why the machine is broken?
I do not want to know.
2, 3, 4.
It's me. I broke the machine.
6,
so
7.
I went on a thing to find dumb robot ideas, and this was one of them. Here's a YouTube comment from a Michael Reeves' video. Literally right here. Just read it. I really don't like that person. It's just so bad. Why would you come up with this idea? Why?
It strikes all who cannot
I don't know. This is literally using like groundbreaking machine learning models basically. And do you see what it's done? It's done It's done this. This is breaking revolutionary technology being used for decent things, and this is what I'm using it for. And I'm never gonna use this again. I spent way too long on this. Why is it talking about France so much?
The great king of France. The right king of France. The right king of France. I grew up in a northern city, which was full of people and booze. Mom, we're going to China soon.
We're going to China, guys.
Take the kids to Disneyland.
We're taking the kids to Disneyland in China.
A bit too exciting.
It is too exciting.
Yes. We're doing this all for a reason.
What is the reason?
We want the kids to be entertained.
Why?
I'm sure they will be.
No.
But we're not going to do this.
I hate this robot. It's just not good.